What happens if you install more RAM into a running PC? It has one stick of RAM in one DIMM slot, and I've got a stick of 8 GB of DDR3 to put in the other free one. My YouTube video is playing, and let's see what happens to the PC in 3, 2, 1. Wow, the PC immediately freezes with these faint green lines on the screen. You can see it a bit better with footage from my phone. Let's see if this PC will actually boot up again. It took multiple tries again, but all I had to do was clear the CMOS and then remove one of the RAM sticks, go into the BIOS and then turn it off and then put the RAM back in, and then booting up the PC once more, everything seemed to be all good. Key thing here is RAM is definitely not hot swappable, and this could have easily damaged the PC. For more awesome content, check out youtube.com/Beezito.